Hi,
Lots of
everybody.
videos this week. Lots and lots of videos. Lance,
Yeah.
let's crack on. We're going to make this a real quick one. Go.
That's me, isn't it? Right.
Yes,
Anyway,
you.
so very quickly, obviously, we finally got round to posting a video, the finances one, which had to do a catch up because we've been distracted with quite a lot of other stuff. But anyway, that's now finally done. So that should be on a monthly basis. So everyone can see exactly what's going on. Anyway, wanted to do a quick video that speaks to methodology and what people's contributions are all about. So I'm going to share my screen. He says, highly professional. So hopefully you can now see
Just open
uh,
that browser up. Just open
uh,
the browser. Just open the browser up so it gets rid of all the
Maximize the
background
oh,
browser.
stuff.
make myself large.
Yeah, that's
How's that?
better
That's a
now.
nice website.
Oh,
Who did that? Go on.
trust me, my contributions to it are anything other than technical. Uh, Anyway, so
Right.
what we so here in live. So firstly, if you agree with what we're doing, and hopefully more and more people are, and seeing what we're doing, most importantly, help us. And we're going to do another video, but I'll talk to that right at the end. Go to the Peacekeepers website, read our articles, follow what we're doing, get involved in the knock knock, pledge for the opportunity for people out there to prove us wrong. But most importantly, we need contributions, and we'll speak to why on another video. So if you go to the contribute button, and here we ostensibly say what we're up to, and the fact that, help us to help you, to help everyone.
Do you want to just
Decide
read
what
it quickly, Lance? Just that paragraph at the top.
Yeah, sure.
Just
Helping us to take care of business. If you don't want to do the knock knock, come and be a caretaker, basically, is what this is saying. We've had a bunch of people, innumerable people, couldn't tell you how many exactly, who have gone in and done the knock knock. And because of that, in 3 sessions, 3 years effectively, we're about to start our fourth, I believe, we've started to turn the tide. And I think we've evidenced that only just recently. Obviously, we're nowhere near where we want to get to. And so, in order to help us keep on pushing and back the people who are out there right at the coalface doing this, we need money. We don't hide. We behind that. We need money. Why? Because well, you can see some of the court costs again levied against us where we're losing. And for every loss, there is more knowledge and usually an appeal. But in order to do that, in order to get through all of that, we need money. So we don't hide. So it's your money that helps us move these court cases forward.
okay.
And if you can give us a quid, great. All we ask for, make it one time. Give us some money every month. Superb if you can. Choose an amount, make it your own amount, whatever. £1, £1,000, anything and everything we will take quite happily. Sorry, the foundation will take. So who you are, your details, and then finally down to the bottom, you've got to agree to the terms and conditions. This is not an unreasonable thing. So what are they? What is it we're doing here?
Now,
What's
just
the
to
purpose?
point out that that's a little link, isn't it, Lance? So you can expand what
Yeah,
you're
yeah, 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 yeah. Come and
doing
read the
now.
terms and conditions. And to be fair, if anyone doesn't like these, and we think they're pretty reasonable, come
Yeah.
and tell us. And if we've got something wrong or a bit wonky, let us know.
Yeah.
So, what's the purpose of your contribution? Your contributions made to the foundation are to support its mission and activities. And it includes, but is not limited to, perhaps some travel, perhaps some administration. That's the big one. Court costs and fees, and operational costs directly associated with peacekeeper initiatives. I can tell you absolutely hand on heart. In fact, I don't need to tell you hand on heart because I evidence it through the PDFs of the bank statements that so far anything we've paid for has been court costs and fees. And I'd be surprised if we really do anything beyond that. But who's to say that, we won't? Case funding, most importantly. We've got a very rigorous, transparent process. Admittedly, we are a little bit getting there, but we are getting there, and I hope you can see all that. How we select our cases that we choose to fund,
Well, that'll
You
become basically clear once people understand our mission. So
exactly, yeah.
Yes.
We're
referred
pretty
to.
clear. Not everyone who chucks what they're up to will be eligible for funding. We are not a catch-all. We cannot conceivably support everyone and everything. Lovely if we could. I'll tell you what, if we get as big as our ambitions are, then perhaps we'll be able to do a lot more because we can support people to do a lot more. And at the end of the day, what we decide to support comes down to us, and it comes down to us as a collective, knowing that it supports our mission, that our ambitions.
And in summary, basically, it's to just make sure that we get the relevant points that we want, and we don't have multiple people repeating the same thing.
yeah, exactly. Prove it once and once and for all.
Yeah.
No refunds. I'm sorry, but life would get very inordinately complicated. Some GDPR because everybody's GDPR and governing law. Because if you do want to try it on with us, you're free, do what you want, but you will be held to the laws of England and Wales. We think that's reasonable because that's where we're best versed.
Also, we're governed by the laws of England and Wales.
We are indeed. We're a UK, England and Welsh Incorporated Foundation, and we amend. We reserve the right to amend, but again, highly unlikely. Anyway, so you'll accept that if you're coming with us, and then most importantly, sorry, just one quick one. What does it say?
At the top there. There you go.
Where is it?
There.
To support its mission.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's what you're here to do. That's what we want your money for. So what's our mission? Our mission statement. Where is it best? To create a just and equitable society. And where does it say? Basically, we're here for the rule of law. That's
a very good read for people to see. So if you scroll down the bottom, it's
nice
got
little story.
The story is good, to be fair.
The story is very good so that people can actually understand what it's about. Standing up.
I've seen that story floating around in other places.
Yeah.
But what are we about? We're all about the mission is to see the rule of law, however and in whatever way we see fit. It's all about the rule of law. It's expressing itself through due process of law, but it's also about getting that rule of law.
So contrary to what people might think, it's all about council tax.
Not at all.
No, that's just one practical application for people to reinforce the learning of
we're using the council tax as the vehicle for our mission.
It's a brilliant vehicle. Why? Because it's a demand. It's the imposition of will.
Yeah.
And until proven otherwise, you can't do that.
Yes.
So anyway, look, this is a real quick one. Hopefully, we've not gone on too long. Just to say, look, that's what you're contributing to. It's all there. It's all as transparent, I think, as anyone else out there in the world in terms of here you go. If people can't, if people got problems with that, explain how and why. We'll improve our transparency even more if it's indeed possible. And I think just to say that we're going to do a follow-up video to this one, which is going to go, I think, to the very, very last point that we need to make in terms of transparency, which will indeed be ongoing, which is on what rationality, on what basis have we selected to fund things? What is the point that we're trying to get either clarified by the courts, or what's the question that we need answered? So for anything and everything that we're going to support or have supported, we'll give you bullet point rationale as to why.
And then people can understand how and why we've chosen to make the payments we've made.
Exactly.
Law, all are equal under the law. Nobody's above the law.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I think we're done here.
Thank you very much for that very easy to listen to explanation, Lance. People should have no problem with that whatsoever. Anyway,
Well, you never know nowadays. People have problems with everything.
well, just come to us, make your point, come to us, we'll sort it out with you. But anyway, nice one, guys. Thank you very much
Okay.
for
Thanks a
that
lot.
video.
All right.
Cheers.
Thanks, Lance. Thanks, Brian.